Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 inches best canned sardines is seasoned sardines pure olive oil. In the summer, sardines are great for people who care about the environment and want food that is rich in nutrients. People like the olive oil because it makes the sardines taste good and is good for them. The sardines are harvested in a way that doesn't harm the environment. Customers like them because they have a smoky taste, because they have a good taste and texture, and because they are cheap. Premium taste starts with superior ingredients. Seasoned brand takes pride in great tasting products which are sourced from premier suppliers from around the world, ensuring the highest quality. Deep-sea saltwater fish are extremely rich in omega-3 fatty acids, proven to protect against coronary heart disease. Sardines offer high omega-3 benefits compared to other fish and are an excellent source of natural fish oils. They provide a convenient way to incorporate the nutritional benefits of fish oils into your diet. Number 2 in our side is Nuri Portuguese sardines. This is another Portuguese product, and Nuri sardines come in a wide range of flavors: olive oil, spicy olive oil, tomato sauce and olive oil, and spiced tomato sauce and olive oil. The 4 cans can be bought in a pack that includes all 4 flavors, so there is a little bit of choice. Wild caught, the Nuri sardines are firm and plump. The spicy olive oil can has a whole piri-piri inside. Sardines, olive oil, and salt and other natural ingredients. Wild caught, fresh from the sea taste. No preservatives or additives. Tinned in pure olive oil to complement the perfectly retained natural flavor. From the purchase of the best fish, the selection of the freshest ingredients, a unique method of vapor pre-cooking and a careful manual preparation process. Each can is wrapped by hand with the original vintage design and only the best ingredients. Limited, exclusive and selected production per year. With a firm and plump texture, moist from the olive oil, Nuri sardines are a cut above any other canned sardines. For details, let's watch. Third in our best canned sardines list is Wild Planet Wild Sardines. Those who like their sardines to have a stronger taste will like the Wild Planet sardines. They are lightly smoked and kept in organic olive oil. They are thought of as better for the environment than Atlantic or Mediterranean sardines, because fishing for Pacific sardines doesn't leave a lot of bycatch and doesn't damage the habitat. People who make Wild Planet sardines like them because they are firm and meaty and have a smoked taste. The fish that goes into the cans is a little bigger than the fish that other companies use. Wild-caught sardines in organic olive oil and lightly smoked for a delicious, full flavor. A nutritional powerhouse, Wild Planet sardines are an essential source of omega-3, protein, calcium, and iron. Feel confident that the sardines you're enjoying are harvested in the Pacific with sustainable methods, making them healthy for the earth and your body. Wild Planet sardines are 100% sustainably caught via free school purse seine methods, and are gluten-free, non-GMO, OU kosher parava. Our fourth pick is Métis sardines in olive oil. Caught fresh off the coast of Galicia and hand-packed in premium Spanish olive oil, our small sardine fish make a wonderful addition to your favorite pastas, vegetable medleys, or other appetizers. In fact, they can be enjoyed as is, added to French breads with sliced avocado and lemon, or smeared with a garlic aioli to create a truly unforgettable taste. These sardines are smaller in size to create a fresher, more delicious taste, but also to make them easier to add to breads, crackers, or other fun appetizers. Sardines make a great addition to a variety of healthy dishes and pair well with things like sour cream, creme fraiche, fresh herbs, lemon and smoked pimento. These small fish are also packed with vitamins, minerals, and proteins that are good for you and help support a healthy diet. They're also non-GMO and gluten-free. Métis stands behind our Spanish sardines. When you receive your tins, they'll be sealed tight. If you have any issues regarding the freshness or quality of your fish, ask immediately for fast support. Last in this list is Crown Prince sardines in water. For someone who wants a lighter version of sardines but wants to get all of the fish's nutrients, these are the right choice for them. People who like Crown Prince sardines like them because they are firm and have a mild taste. Sardines are packed in water from only the highest quality pilchard sardines. These sardines have a slightly firm texture, with a pleasing mild flavor. This low-fat food is an excellent source of protein and calcium. Great in casseroles and sandwiches. Crown Prince sardines are packed using only the highest quality pilchard sardines available. These sardines have a slightly firm texture and a pleasing mild flavor. Wild caught and kosher, this product of Morocco provides an excellent source of calcium and protein, and is available in a variety of flavors. Visit the Crown Prince website for recipes.